All right, guys. So this question is from physics. This question is a physics question, and it's a gravitational potential energy question. So it says um, a 5 kg bag is lifted to a height of 10 meter. All right. Okay, I wrote centimeter. It's supposed to be meter. Okay, let's change this place to meter. All right, it's to the height of 10 meter. All right. It says then calculate its gravitational potential energy. They give us our gravitational G as 10 meter per second square, right? So now if we are solving this question, first of all, what you need to do is to bring out the formula, right? So if we bring out the formula of this equation, we'll have our formula will be G, gravitational potential energy, right? Is equals to M times G times H. All right, so this is the formula for potential energy. All right, so it's M times G times H. Now, so this GPE means gravitational potential energy. All right, so now they gave us M. M is what? 5 kg. All right, they gave us G. G is what? 10 meter per second square. So but they did not give us, did they give us height? Yes, we are giving height. We are giving height as what? Height is equals to 10 meter. All right, guys. Having gotten all you need to solve the equation, it's very simple. Just apply these figures into the formula, which is equals to what? 5 times 10 times 10, right? 5 times this 10 will give us 50. 50 times 10 is going to give us 500. 500. So our answer will be in joules because potential energy is calculated in joules. So our answer is 500 joules. Alright guys, so that is how to solve this equation. Thank you for watching. I hope this video provides value for you and you enjoyed watching it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye for now.